welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here again. So today we're talking about talkroom.com. This website is a platform that actually pays people for chatting. So if you are an influencer, you are a fan, or you are a business person, you can actually just bring people straight to this website, or the app rather. It's on Google Play, it's on Play Store, it's on Apple Store. Once you bring people to this app, you tell them to meet you on the app, connect instead of using WhatsApp, instead of using mails, or what else do we have, Facebook and all, or calling them or text messages. You tell them to chat you up, and the truth is this: once they chat you up, they have to pay. So you earn money by chatting. This platform says Talkroom lets people pay before messaging you. So your time is actually valuable. It's not something you should waste. So if anybody wants to chat you up, or maybe you are a superstar, you're an artist, or you are a pastor, an imam, they want you to pray for them and all those things. You're a business person and your time is actually important. All they have to do is connect with you on Talkroom, and they have to pay before chatting with you. So they said you need Talkroom. Your time is valuable, and so is your inbox space. Talkroom helps you prioritize who you reply to while you hear money from answering those messages. So when you answer messages, you're actually earning money. So they said connect with anyone on the internet quickly. So on Talkroom, people pay before messaging you. This filters out all-time wasters, beggars, and spammers, so weak connections can be made quickly. So they said Talkroom is pretty easy to use. So I think that is an example of how it works down there. You can see this screenshot there. That's how much this person has earned. So they said earn money while you chat. Never let anyone pick your brain for free again. Get paid every single time. So if you have a small scale business, and especially if you're a designer or anything, or a professional or a consultant, some persons will just call or message you on WhatsApp. They just want to ask questions about what you do, or even if you're a vendor where you sell wigs and all those things. So instead of someone just coming to your inbox and wasting your time, spamming your inbox and all you have to do is you earn through the conversation. So for saying I alone, they will have to pay something. Like this guy, they said Kofi Answer has paid $50 to chat with you. So this guy had to pay $50 to chat with whoever I wanted to chat with. So it's exactly how it works. People are not used to it. Actually, it's not something that is common. It's not something I've seen before. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this, but I think it makes sense. I am a graphic designer. I'm a web designer. I do a lot of stuff online, and people chat me up wanting to ask me questions and all. So although if I want it to be free, I guess I will give my WhatsApp number. But if I don't know you, or what your purpose of wanting to talk to me is not clear, then I think I would rather bring it to this platform where you pay and then I earn from the conversation instead of just wasting it. So lots of persons just waste people's time, they waste people's resources and all, and at the end of the day, they actually don't convert into clients and all. So this is just an opportunity for you to earn for your time. Now they said use Talkroom. Number one, ease of use, multiple currency support, because they support Naira, they support cedis. Over time, I believe they will bring more persons on board. They said build your network. So get ahead of the crowd. All you have to do is download the app and you're good to go. Okay, I'm using an Android phone, so let's check it out on Play Store to see how it works, and let's wait for it, and that is it. So this is the app on Play Store. All I have to do is click on install and I'm good to go. So I just have to I can earn through my conversation. So you can accept chats, or you end it, so it depends on you. This is how you earn your money. Then your balance is always at the top. Then which other thing? So those are the major features, and you can filter your DM. So lots and lots of tools, options out there. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go right away to Play Store, download it, and start making money from conversations. I want to believe this is not your first time of watching our videos, but if this is your first time of watching any of our videos, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I talk about finance, I talk about investment, I talk about cryptocurrencies, make money online strategies, and how you can actually live a better life. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe to this channel before leaving, and I hope to see you back next time. Please share this video with your friends, like, comment. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. I will always be here to answer your questions and to give you directions. Thanks once again for watching our videos, and bye for now.